We've got a special person here, people. For anyone who doesn't know, this is Kobe. He's put in fucking a lot of effort. And we just want to know as Hawks, as a fucking club, as a team, we're all behind you, Kobe. We love you. If you're on the club, we know you're doing it tough, so anything to help you out.
Wow.
Fellas, listen, Kobe's not much of a talker, so I just really want to thank you all from the bottom of our heart for what you're doing for us. And we're only talking about this last night. Nothing would make Kobe or myself or Sue more proud than to see his guys get that fucking grand final end of the year. And that would top a good year. I mean, she's got a battle ahead of her, she's going to fight hers and she's going to win. And listen to this guy and you will fucking win at the end as well. That's all I'm going to say to you. So.